Okay, hi, my name is Nomvula. I'm gonna be talking about the power of prayer. And for me, prayer is like oxygen. Oh man, I love prayer. I can't live without prayer. And I cannot imagine my life without prayer. And God answers prayers. I've seen that in my own life. I remember in the beginning of last year, I had a long list of needs. And I wrote it down, and after that, then I prayed over it, and I asked God for these needs. And by the end of November, God has answered those prayers and answered those needs, and He even did beyond what I've asked Him. And even I remember my daughter, she was not listening because she's a teenager. She was sleeping outside the house, and I could be worried at night. I couldn't even sleep when I hear the siren of the police, and then I will wake up and look through the window. But I remember that at that time she didn't come home for 2 days, and then I asked God, where is she? And then after 2 days she came back, and it happened like that couple of times where my daughter ended up asking me, Mama, have you realized that every time you ask God, where's Steffi, then Steffi will come. So that is how much prayer is in my life. And I really can't imagine my life without prayer. So prayer, it is so powerful, and we use it as a weapon as well to fight in the heavenly realm, and also as a key that unlocks the heavens where God pour out His blessings upon us. So prayer is so powerful, and without a Christian, I can't live without prayer. Thank you.